What is going on? My name is Ariel D. Juice, aka Juice. This is also Juicy Tech Podcast. Welcome, I won't say welcome back, but yes. So I'm making this very fast. First off, I do apologize for the late replies, not replies, but the uploads. I have not been posting lately. I have a busy schedule, obviously. A lot of stuff, full time job, obviously. Um, I run other YouTube channels as well. A lot of those channels are monetized. I have to really focus on that content, make sure it gets uploaded. So this one, I'm still uploading, I'm still here. And believe it or not, I'm still practicing coding. I'm really focusing right now on HTML and CSS. I want to just get that down pat even more. And then I'm going to move over to the JavaScript or Python, but either one. I'm also doing another course after me going to coding bootcamp. But this video or this live stream is really about 6 months after me, a lot of vehicle, 6 months after attending a coding boot camp. And where am I right now after 6 months of going to a coding boot camp? So I am not working in the field right now. I'm not working in tech as we speak. I am doing interviews. I've done a lot of interviews. Some I turned down, some didn't go as planned. It's a lot of work. It's you're not gonna find a job right then and there, obviously, but that's what's going on. But well, I'll speak for myself. So I do want to say this because there are comments and there are people leaving me messages of whether or not they should attend a coding boot camp. And I'm not being sponsored. People think I'm being sponsored by a coding boot camp that I went to. I promise I'm not being paid money from the time. These loud trucks and cars. Jesus Christ. If you heard that, I'm so sorry. But yeah, people really think I'm getting paid, I'm being sponsored or receive some type of affiliate link or whatnot from my coding bootcamp that I went to. From the time I made this video, I'm not receiving a single penny from the coding bootcamp. I just like to share my thoughts, my experience of me going to coding bootcamp because I very much think this will benefit the next person that's looking for information of possibly wanting to go to coding bootcamp in their future or whatnot. And for me, everyone's different. Obviously, everyone has their own journey. For my situation, I never went to college, so I have no degree in computer science. I'm learning about everything literally within almost a year. Not even a year, yeah. This is my first time learning about this stuff, so I'm still pretty new to it. But compared to someone that has 4 or 5 years of experience, they've gone to college, they have a degree in computer science, they have years of maybe freelance work. They really have the knowledge and the skills to do this. I'm still learning mine. So people may say me going to a coding boot camp was a mistake. Not at all. The thing is, a coding boot camp for me was a great direction because I had nothing like that. And I keep saying that on all my videos. For me, myself, I went to coding boot camp because I was trying to see if I can, actually find a job from going there. Absolutely. But I also kept in mind that I had to be realistic because I was in the cohort, and a lot of the students they surpassed me with the knowledge they had, the skills. So right then and there, it was like just this reality check. Like, okay, this is not going to happen. Me going to this coding boot camp won't get me a job. Like they're gonna like some people that has years of experience, they will find a job first, and they did. A lot of people that went to college, they are working right now in the field as a developer. So that's freaking awesome. That means to me the coding boot camp does work. It's not just their hard skills, but their soft skills because you're meeting people, you're networking. So all that really helps a lot, So a coding boot camp does work, right? But you have to really be realistic with yourself. What kind of skills do you have already? And of course, knowledge in the field. Do you have any type of background in coding whatsoever? It's gonna help you a lot. Me, I'm new to it, so yeah, I very much have to be realistic and just keep in mind that it's gonna take a long time for me to really, what I'm saying, like really know what's going on and get my skills up. Like some people with 4 or 5 years of skills, it's gonna take a while, and I have no problem doing that. But that's my situation right now. I do want to say this, and from the very beginning of me making this YouTube channel or podcast, my first interest in the tech field was actually IT. I was really focusing on that more, but I just kind of got more interested in the fact that, you know, development sounds fun. I love engineering. I have a background in audio engineering. It's not the same thing, obviously, but you're still building something. But that's the idea. well, it's engineering. That's what I like to do. So I just figured, let me just try this course out, which is that's what it was. It was a 10-week course in person, and it was great. I have like, I have no regrets whatsoever. I might change the title to this video, maybe 6 months, or maybe was coding bootcamp a mistake. Maybe I might change the title to that. I'm not sure, but 6 months after coding bootcamp, this is where I'm at right now. I'm very much still learning, HTML. I just want to kind of perfect that more, and also CSS, and just have an idea of how this stuff really works. I did at first in the beginning, obviously, me going to coding bootcamp, but I just still want to like learn more. So I'm doing projects. I haven't posted nothing yet. I will post it, but I haven't posted no projects yet. I'm doing them. And again, I'm doing another course. This is more of an IT course. I love courses, man. Courses are just they're faster. The thing is with YouTube, it's free information, but it's like you have to kind of puzzle all your information to make sense of it, and that's time wasting for me. I just want a course, just one, two, three, like just I just know exactly what I need to do step by step. I'm not wasting time trying to search for information. The steps are already laid out for me, and it costs money. I love courses. That's why I went to coding bootcamp, because I love learning. I love, even though it may not find me a job right then and there, I love courses because the coding bootcamp gave me a lot of direction. I'm aware of what's going on more. I'm more just realistic on what to expect, and that's to me the one of the biggest important things. Being realistic, not thinking you're just gonna find a job after 10 weeks of coding. You're gonna, I'm just gonna just kill it. Nah, you just need some more time. You need more skills, and I'm all for that. So yeah, any tips, advice, leave it in the comment section. It'll be much appreciated. I'm learning, and I have no problem, saying that, because that's exactly my situation right now. 6 months after coding boot camp, I'm still learning, but I'm doing another course. But again, this course is more focusing on IT. Like I said, that was my first plan in the very beginning of this podcast. Me trying to break into the IT field, which is the tech field. I just got so interested in engineering and development. I just found this coding boot camp, and it was right after the pandemic. I'm like, you know what, this is in person. It sounds a little fun. Why not? So I took the course for 10 weeks, and that was great. I have no complaints whatsoever. Made a lot of friends. I'm cool with a lot of the founders, the teachers, the assistant teachers. Met people outside of the school, conferences. I'm still connected with these people on LinkedIn. Just great. And they see what I'm doing. It's awesome, right? Like, life is great. I'm not complaining. I'm not broke, but yeah, I'm still learning. I'm still doing that. So yeah, just it takes time. And again, if you're looking to get into coding boot camp, if you're really trying to do that, I say just do more research first before spending money. I keep saying that. Before spending any money, just do as much projects that you can on your own, and just kind of perfect that, as a one-on-one thing. Just really get that stuff down packed. All the one-on-ones of coding. That means HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What exactly are you trying to do exactly? Like, what job title? It's all that matters. And that's something I didn't know in the very beginning. I didn't really know exactly what job title I was trying to aim at first, but I just need to learn the basics more. And I did learn that at Coding Bootcamp, obviously, but they gave me direction on what to focus on. And that's something I had no idea about, and I don't think I would find that on YouTube. If I would have, it would take me a long time to find it, and I don't have time for that. I have a busy schedule. I need something now. Of course, you have something laid out for me, step by step. Let's do it. So that's my situation right now. So Coding Bootcamp was a great experience. Again, if you're looking to join the Coding Bootcamp, go for it, but just very much spend time focusing on the one-on-ones. Learn the basics of coding on your own first, then join a coding boot camp. Look, much love to you. Be back with another video. I'm still here posting, and I'll be back with another video soon. So be safe out there. Much love. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.